Hey guys, RURALJDM here. Where are we?
We're at Winton Raceway.
And why are we here?
We're
drifting.
here to look at some drifting.
Where's our drift cars?
In the shed. Weather is not looking good for this event though. It's raining, you know.
And wet.
There's a lot of cars. Wow, look at all the cars.
Yeah, just line up. But yes, we have arrived. It's very wet, very miserable.
Cars love it.
Not many spectators compared to last time. Normal cars. So hopefully the footage you're about to see looks very good.
Shake ass, give me a quickie up in the room. I said I kill shit. Pussy try be real bitch. Acting super chill, bitch. I'm tryna make a meal shit on that super dumb shit. My shorty be lovely, yeah, she wanna hug me, and I ain't gon' give up. B, I'm feeling really lucky. Yeah, up there like a shooting star. Bitch, I'm really gone. Don't test me on my best part. Don't test me on my worst part. Yeah, I'm still gon' fuck you up like any night. I wish I'm feeling for an uppercut. I'm feeling for a fucking butt. It's this I'm in the smoke. I won't grab a joke so man, that pussy hit the floor. I'm tryna go smoke some shit. My diamonds do shit like this. In a war, yeah. And it's and go, yeah. We stop upping up like low, yeah. I'm standing with some MD, yeah. Catch me, yeah. Ecstasy, yeah. Ecstasy, yeah. Ecstasy, yeah. Ecstasy.
In terms of an update for Jaden and Julia's car, nothing's changed since our last event, 6 months ago? So yeah, it's here chilling in the wet. This video is more like a highlights reel than a story because nothing went wrong at all, all day. So, hope you guys enjoyed the highlights reel at least. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and hopefully we'll be out there within the next year. We'll see. Hopefully. I'm saying hopefully. Alright, catch you in the next one.
Go dream, let's go dream, let's go. Let's go dream, let's go motherfucking dream, yeah. For a better life, for a better life.